lovely children. I'm Peppa Pig.
George!
Today, Peppa and George have a very special story to share with you.
A story about coins!
That's right. We're going to learn how to save money. It's fun and very smart.
Saving money is fun!
Come along with us and see how we do it. Let's go home. George, look, we have so many coins.
So many coins!
I want to spend all of them on a big new doll.
George wants to buy a dinosaur.
What are you two doing?
We want to spend all our money to buy toys.
Money isn't unlimited, Peppa. If you spend it all now, what will you do when you need something important later?
Then, how can I buy a doll and still have money, Mommy?
There's something very important you need to learn. Saving money.
Saving!
Ta-da! This is a magic piggy bank.
Wow, it's so cute.
Every time you get some money, you put a little bit into this piggy bank. Day by day, it will slowly fill up.
Grink!
See? Even small coins can become a big amount if you're patient.
VNBN McNH.
That's right. Saving helps you get what you really want and still have money left.
I'll save money to buy my doll.
George will save too.
Wow, look, George, everyone has new toys.
Toy car!
Susie has a shiny doll, and Danny Dog has a big ball. I really want one too.
George wants a toy.
If I buy toys now, I won't have enough money for my big doll later.
It's okay to want toys, Peppa, but remember what Daddy Pig said about saving?
I remember. I should save my money first.
Save money!
I can still play with my friends, even if I don't buy a toy today. This is fun. You don't always need to buy things to have a good time.
Playing is fun!
Hello, Susie.
Hello, Peppa. Hello, George.
Hello!
What are you doing at the toy store today?
I came to buy a doll. I saved my money for a long time.
Oh, you saved your money.
Yes, I didn't spend it all at once. I put a little bit into my piggy bank every time.
George saved too.
That's amazing, Peppa. You're very good at saving money.
Now I can buy my doll and still have some money left.
You really know how to manage your money.
I'm so happy. Saving really works.
Saving works!
Wow, I didn't know I could save this much.
Saving helps us feel safe and reach our goals.
Van B, just a little bit every week can make a big difference. NMC's Hun.
George will save forever.
See, everyone, saving money is fun and very helpful.
Don't spend all your money.
When we save a little each time, we can buy the things we really need and want.
And saving money helps us plan for the future.
Please like and subscribe to Vinnie House.
There are many more fun and educational stories waiting for you.
Click subscribe and join us at Vinnie House.
Subscribe right now.